Okay, I'm just taking this video, guys, just to introduce you to my web development course. This is a web development breakdown course, where it's just a 4 weeks web design course where I teach you how to design a website from scratch. You don't need any IT background to in order for you to design websites. It's a simple thing. If you can just go through my page and read everything and see if you can enroll, it's a 6 weeks course. So I'll give you in this course. I structured in a way that I will only give you two simultaneous examples of websites per each category at a time while you are building your own website. So if we're building an e-commerce website, we will be building two e-commerce websites while we are busy building your own e-commerce website. If you want to focus, if you want us to focus on WordPress websites, we are also going to do the same to you. We're also going to give you two examples of WordPress websites, and also while you are busy creating your own WordPress website. If you like, you're interested in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, or PHP, then we are also allowed in the course because I have an entire breakdown of web design process, starting from the beginning on how you start when designing a website. So the reason you need to learn this web course, I think everyone needs to learn this course, especially if you are an entrepreneur, especially if you or maybe if you're a student, or maybe if you're an employee or just a dropout. You need to learn how to do this stuff. We need people who can create websites, like companies. Almost all these companies, they are looking for people who can create websites, who can create a better looking website. So if you are one of those people, then you know, or maybe if you know you need to learn web by yourself, you feel like I need to learn web as an additional skill, then it's fine. You can just go through the entire everything. Then you'll be a web developer by the end of the course. That's what we're teaching. I'm teaching you how to develop a website, especially starting from servicing a client if a client is in need of a website, because I'll teach you the entire web development process, starting from buying a domain, registering a domain, creating an email, managing your own email accounts, automatic emails, bulk emails, faxed emails, scheduled emails. I'll also teach you the web stairs, the sliders, the landing pages, the content, the contact forms. I'll also teach you how to install WordPress, how to prepare a theme, web pages, plugins, APIs, all those things. I will teach you everything, including most of the e-commerce website, as well as integrating social media and creating landing pages, how to optimize your website for SEO, search engine optimization, how to do web graphics, web security, because there's a lot of hacking taking place. So those are the things that I will be focused on, because after the course, the reason why I said it's a 6 weeks course, but yeah, I wrote 4 weeks is because the entire 4 weeks will be about me teaching you how to prepare yourself, how to prepare your own website according to your needs, and also according how to service a client that requires such kind of service from you. But I will also teach you how to do your own digital marketing, how to do cold calling to clients, how to send cold emails, how to give customer support, how to manage your own server to host your own website. So those are the things that I'll be teaching you. I'll also be teaching you the entire process, like the one that I used from the beginning: how to get a client, how to prepare a project, how to deliver a product to a client. So in my course is structured in 3 grades. I started with grade one, where I teach you how to register your own domain, how to manage your own server, or maybe MySQL databases, preparing your own hostings, and also an email, your cPanel, your backups, your stats. So those are the things that I can teach you within the first week. Yeah, I call that grade one. But I structured this is gonna take 2 weeks. These are 14 modules inside the course. As soon as you download the course, then you I have access to everything. Like if those are the things that are available that I'm teaching immediately in the course as soon as you enter. So I'll start by this my landing page here. You'll see this video on my landing page. That is where you can enroll as a member. Then I also created grade 2 of this one. This is where you learn how to install WordPress, how to connect PHP. If you feel like you want to be more of a coder, then I'll teach you how to connect PHP to your databases, how to upload your website, how to buy themes and plugins, how to get those free plugins and themes. I'll also teach you how to create your own HTML web pages, or maybe how to customize a WordPress theme to look more professional, or maybe to satisfy a client. I'll also teach you the entire styling of a website, including the CSS and JavaScript or HTML when it comes to on our second class. So at the end of this second class, I think this is the end of our our second grade. Then we'll go to the third grade. By the end of the second grade, we'll be able to create a website, because this will be the end of 4 weeks. Then on the third grade, starting from grade 3, I will be teaching you the easiest ways of creating dynamic websites, where we'll be using multiple platforms that support PHP, that support JavaScript, that support Python, all those things. I'll teach you the easiest ways and strategies to learn how to code in these languages. And also, because you know this thing is just a language, it's something that means to communicate. So if you learn one of these languages, you might be able, there's a chance that you might be able to understand even few more languages apart from the ones that I will be teaching you. So I'll be teaching you how they are interlinked and how to produce the best website possible that is secured and also ready for launch anytime soon. Especially an e-commerce website. I'll be teaching you how to use WooCommerce, how to create your own online stores, how to an entire e-commerce website if you want to code it with PHP. I'll also teach you how to provide web security for your websites, because that is one of the most important things. And also how to get ready for business. As soon as you're done with this course, as soon as you're done with all this content, all these lessons and everything, or even if before you're even done, you can start advertising. The moment you register, you can start advertising that you provide web development services, because you know by the end of 4 6 weeks we'll be ready to provide such service. Because I'll also be teaching you digital marketing on how to advertise your web development courses, or your web development services online to anyone. There's a lot of platforms that you can use. I hope you're already familiar with YouTube, Facebook, and any of those. And also how to do your offline marketing, how to go door to door, how to do cold callings, and all those other offline marketing and online marketing, including emails, as well as following people and getting ready for the entire new venture creation for web development. That's what I'll be teaching you as well. But I'll keep on uploading every new project that I do, so that everyone must have access to everything that we've done. For in case of reference, if you feel like you need to reference something, then you can just go into our online course, and then you log in with your own username and password. These are lifetime password and username that you're going to use. They're not gonna expire or anything. They'll give you access to entire material and entire content that you'll be doing.